Let's see how to type intersection symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead to the Insert tab. Now click on Equation, and that should open up an equation field in the middle of your document. Now up here, you'll see a variety of mathematical operators that you can choose to put in your equation field. Now, to find the intersection symbol, you can choose this one, an almost a letter U that's upside down. And as you'll see, that is now written in your equation field. Now, another way that you can do this is to have your settings enabled to type in manually your mathematical symbols. Now, to do this, simply type in backslash and cap. Now click enter, and that should automatically transform into the intersection symbol. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.